All right, you too. Here we go. Next one. Hey, she said do both of them. If I don't like them, hey, she 1 for 2 right now. I'm not counting. You know, I ain't counting. But Billie Eilish, Birds of a Feather. So actually, she is the 6th person to tell me to react to this song off the album. Birds of a Feather. Here we go. She sounds so different in this one. This is a good song. Any person in their right, this is a good song. That makes me smile, man. Like shit, yeah. Whatever idea you have of forever, hey, that's okay. I just wanna, yeah.
How you look to me, you wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit.
Yeah, it's a prank. Another life. You had the same looking. Billy, you saying something though. Billy. My cheeks hurt. Yeah, my cheeks hurt on that one. Yeah. That song kind of hits home to me. Not because, you know, but I've gotten it said to, you know. I'm not going to say I moved fully. I'm not moved fully. That was a really, really good song. Got to give credit where credit's due, man.